In this episode of 10 Best Ones, we are going to check out the top 5 best hosting providers in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these hosting providers, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have HostMetro. HostMetro is a privately owned and managed web hosting company. The business was launched in 2003 and the management team have a combined total of over 50 years experience in the web hosting industry. HostMetro is specialized in shared web hosting only. It has a decade of experience in this niche, so we can assume customers are in safe hands. The shared hosting plans from HostMetro are easy to understand. There are just two options, the Mega Max hosting plan and the Business Max hosting plan. The longer the length of your contract, the cheaper the monthly fee. On both plans, customers get maximum disk space and bandwidth. This is a bit of a strange clause. It actually means customers are set a quota, and HostMetro says that the quotas are enough to satisfy 95% of their customers' needs. Both hosting plans include unlimited FTP accounts, MySQL databases, weekly backups and site builders. Customers can use unlimited domains and set up unlimited email accounts. The Business Max hosting plan comes with an SSL, dedicated IP and a few other minor bonuses. HostMetro's hosting plans are covered by a 99.9% uptime guarantee, but it has an important get-out clause for the host. It will compensate customers if uptime falls below 99.9% over the period of a year, not a month. In this situation, customers are given an extra month of hosting for free, but it's highly unlikely that any period of downtime would trigger the guarantee in the first place. HostMetro's support options include US-based 24/7 live chat, email and telephone channels. There is also a knowledge base for self-help purposes, and it includes articles, guides and frequently asked question lists. cPanel is offered across all HostMetro plans, which is always a plus point. As there are no advanced hosting options, cPanel is the one and only option here. It may be the cheapest hosting you can find around, so if you are building your first website, I'd suggest this host to you. At number 4, we have GlowHost. Founded in 2002, GlowHost has a lot to brag about. They are a US-based company that offer a plethora of high-quality web hosting products to businesses of all sizes. Although they cannot brag about having the lowest prices, they are certain in line with their high quality, well-supported, and highly transparent offerings. In terms of web hosting, GlowHost offers a wide range of services. They offer 4 different packages for shared hosting based on how many domains customers plan to include on the account and for what purpose. Reseller web hosting packages come fully managed by GlowHost, so webmasters don't have to worry about administrative and accounting responsibilities. There are 2 types of packages offered to premium business clients. Semi-dedicated servers give customers a cheaper option without having to share space with an excessive number of other server occupants. The virtual dedicated cloud server package is 100% redundant. GlowHost currently has 16 data centers located around the world with a focus on carrier neutrality. This means that data centers use bandwidth providers based on redundancy and speed, not on price. This helps to improve loading speeds. GlowHost has included details on a number of their data centers, including location, compliance, uptime, security and server monitoring, network support, and backup generators. Much like everything else about GlowHost's business model, they offer comprehensive customer service and technical support. When looking at a web host's guarantees, typically it's the uptime guarantee that matters most. However, GlowHost makes so many promises to their customers, that it's important to break each of them down so you can see how dedicated they are to high-quality service and support. GlowHost has been in the web hosting space for a very long time, much longer than most companies, so they seem to know what customers want. Transparency, above all else, seems to be their greatest strength, and it should mean a lot to anyone looking for a reliable web host to entrust their site to. At number 3, we have CloudWays. CloudWays, based in Malta, has 2 distinct faces. It's an integration point for many cloud services, all managed from a single console. It's also a site which lets PHP developers deploy their own containerized applications. It offers a rich array of features for PHP app development. The company was founded in 2011. It completely revamped its site in 2016, calling it CloudWays 2.0. CloudWays has data centers all around the world. Customers and users will always be within reasonable reach of one. It has added more in 2016 and 2017. Each customer gets a server with dedicated hardware and its own IP address. Servers feature SSD storage for fast performance. The customer can add services from cloud infrastructure providers such as Amazon, DigitalOcean, Google, and Vultr. CloudWays supports them as managed services. It supports several content management systems, including WordPress, Drupal, Magento, and Joomla. Customers can use other PHP-based CMSs, though they're basically a do-it-yourself effort. A customer can obtain any number of servers and clone an application or server as necessary. As usage grows, the customer can add more servers. Customers can get support by live chat or by submitting report tickets. They can also query CloudWays bot for help. Support is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. 4 pricing levels are available. Each one provides a specified level of RAM, processor, storage, and monthly bandwidth. Pricing is per server hour, on a pay-as-you-go basis. Customers can pay for multiple servers and scale up to a higher level for high-volume periods or for as long as they need. There are no contracts, customers just pay on a monthly basis. CloudWays is a young and ambitious company, and its 2016 revamping shows that it's eager to expand its offerings to attract more customers. The one-stop cloud console makes operations simple for customers who don't want to deal with command lines and multiple user interfaces. CloudWays' record is impressive but not as long as that of some other hosting companies. Conservative customers may prefer a better established service, but CloudWays is eager to satisfy those who can bear a certain amount of risk. At number 2, we have Namecheap Hosting. When you think of Namecheap, hosting is probably the farthest thing from your mind. Namecheap is commonly known as a domain registrar, but have been secretly providing solid beginner-friendly hosting for the past 10 years. Think of Namecheap as an all-in-one website solution. Buy your domain, host your site, and purchase any necessary add-ons, all in one place. Namecheap shines in its commitment to providing a transparent, easy-to-use hosting service. All while bundling premium upgrades like backups, advanced security, and data center choice into all of its hosting packages. Namecheap is an independent domain registrar founded back in 2000, with the web hosting option coming online in 2007. Namecheap's website showcases a few different types of web hosting, including shared hosting, VPS hosting, reseller hosting, dedicated servers, and managed WordPress hosting. A variety of packages for a company so new to the hosting game. One thing that stands out about Namecheap is its independence. A lot of budget hosting companies are actually owned and operated by a handful of the same corporations. This independence has allowed them to craft unique brand values and actually stick to them. Meaning no hidden fees, transparent pricing and renewal structures, no upsells, along with having a very straightforward and honest product. Namecheap's shared hosting is hard to beat. This is doubly true if you're already using it as a domain name registrar. Instead of searching far and wide for a budget-friendly host, just click over a tab and sign up for the shared hosting. A lot of budget hosts stick to a single type of hosting to offer their customers. But, far from only focusing on a single type of hosting, Namecheap offers 5 different options: shared, VPS, reseller, dedicated, and managed WordPress hosting. The simplest hosting option, shared hosting, is by far one of the cheapest shared hosting plans available. Namecheap is a solid budget hosting choice. It's not without its flaws, but for a specific kind of website owner who's more concerned with price than plan limitations, then it's worth checking out. It's hard to beat the pricing on the beginner packages, and the focus on security and included backups is a really nice touch. To finish up our list, at number 1 we have WP Engine. WP Engine is a web host that provides fully managed, optimized WordPress hosting. There are a lot of things I love about this company, such as their powerful architecture built for speed. With numerous included features, the company has everything you'd expect from a pricier hosting company. But there are also some departments in which WP Engine could satisfy their customers better, namely when it comes to pricing. WP Engine may be a great option for businesses of various sizes running a website on WordPress. Their architecture is built for speed and security. I know we've been happy with their reliable host service uptime. This WP Engine review will walk you through everything you need to know about the hosting company. WP Engine was founded in 2010 with headquarters in Austin, Texas. Since then, the company has grown immensely, now operating data centers in the UK, Belgium, Japan, and the United States. The purpose behind the creation of WP Engine was to introduce WordPress-specific hosting to the industry with high security, speed, and scalability. It's safe to say that the company has succeeded in its goal. WP Engine's best-in-class customer service team houses WordPress experts who know the content management system inside and out. These support assistants have been trained in WordPress. They continue to practice their hand in providing specialized service when they help thousands of customers every day. Considering the number of people they help out each day, you know their team is well versed in terms of assistance. Not only will their customer service team help you out when you have an issue, but they can identify performance roadblocks to prevent issues before they occur. Just give them a call or start a support ticket, and a team member can review your website and find ways to make it run faster. The best things about WP Engine are their speed and security. With servers built to handle the requirements of large organizations, WP Engine can handle almost anything thrown at it. The company's support team is another great reason to consider them for your hosting needs. For watching, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future, and if you have any questions related to these hosting providers, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.